Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we started learning about Power BI user interface. In this video, we will be learning about what is data source in Power BI desktop and what are the available data sources in Power BI desktop. So now we will learn about what exactly is data source. It is a location or application from which you extract, transform and load data as per requirement. A data source can be a file, a database or an online service. Once data is extracted from its source, it is then transformed to make it suitable for analysis. The transformed data is loaded into Power BI. This process is conducted by Power Query Editor. Now, let's talk about the available data sources in Power BI Desktop. It supports a wide range of connectors. You can import data from Excel, SQL Server, SharePoint, Web APIs, and many more. You can access them by clicking on Get Data and then selecting the appropriate source from the list or drop down. This flexibility makes Power BI extremely powerful for working across different platforms. Once the data is selected, Power BI uses Power Query Editor to help you transform it. Think of Power Query as a tool that lets you clean, filter, shape, and prepare your data before it is loaded into your model for visualization. This process of extract, transform, and load or ETL is crucial in preparing meaningful reports. And that's it. In the next video, we will be learning to connect to a data source in Power BI Desktop. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.